Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to send money using Western Union platform to directly your own country bank account. So simply currently I am working on Europe, so I want to send my money in Indian bank account. So what is the process of this one and how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Google and type here Western Union. I already put this link in same video description. So look at this. This is a platform of Western Union. Now I want send some money like India. How much Danish krona I want send Denmark to India? Like we can see here 1000 Danish krona. Check the rate. So if today I am sending 1000 Danish krona India, so my Indian account I am receiving 10,882 INR. So this price is quite good. So here two options are available: cash, you can submit here and receive their Western Union outlet. Otherwise you can put here bank account and then send, continue. But before doing anything we need to register. So we register simply here. As a register point of view, you type here your name here. First of all, your name, last name, birth date, email address, your password. Password is case sensitive, some number, some digits comes there. Straight your address, your mobile number, male, female, birth country, India, agree and complete. Almost my registration is done. So now we send as a demo point of view just only. You need to register first of all which country you want send the money. Send to India. So you can see here a number of countries list are available. Which country you want send, accordingly select this country and send money. I am originally located on India, so I select here India. Currently I am living in Denmark. Here automatically Danish is come. Up to 35,000 Danish krona I am sending today if I have some money. 1 Danish krona equal to 11.07 INR. So I am receiving today in my account 11,070 INR. So transfer fees is absolutely zero. They are not charging me anything. So I select her bank. As a continue point of view, you need to add recipient name. So I am adding here my own name because of my bank account also available on my own name, Maharashtra. I am adding here my Indian account, Indian mobile number. You want send bank or UPI ID. So you just type here your bank. ICICI Bank Limited. You type your bank account number. No matter your own bank account number, your family, your friend, same bank account is repeat here. Purpose: credit INR account, family maintenance, choose the fund, salary, continue. I am receiving the salary, so that's why I am typing there. Choose my income, salary. Again wait couple of seconds. Doing this process, review. So here purpose, salary, sending detail, I am sending, receiving detail, trust, bank, India, transfer 1000 DKK, total 1000 DKK, not transfer fee is not available, 0 to 1 business day only, accept. Now all Danish banks are comes here. My account is in Danske Bank, so I select here in Danske Bank. Which location available you, accordingly all bank lists are displayed there. So now you type here your name ID and password and continue. So now I type here my name ID, continue. If I am logging here, so my transaction is 100% completed. You can do same process and send money wherever you want. It's quite simple process to add one country account to sender country account and send the money. It's very simple. If you have any question, you can comment me. I will help you. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.